In this tutorial, I will show you step by step on how you can promote your business on Instagram, step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video step by step and see how to promote or how you can run Instagram ad right from your Instagram business page without any stress. So let's get started. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Instagram topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to promote your business on Instagram or how you can run an effective Instagram ads for your business. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here to access my Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here. Then it take you to your Instagram newsfeed. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your Instagram profile right here. Click on the profile picture icon. Then it take you to your page. Now, before you can run an Instagram ad or before you can promote your ad, your business on Instagram, you must have posted the content, whether video or picture. You must have posted it on your Instagram account. So right here, I want to promote this business card right here. So what I'm going to do is to just tap on the post. Okay, now when you tap on the post, you are going to see an icon, boost post. Okay, but in some cases, if you cannot see this post on your Instagram post on your business page, this simply means that you have not converted your Instagram to a business account, or better still, maybe your Instagram account is not, you are not creating your business your Instagram account for a business purpose. So this simply means that you will need to create an Instagram business account. So if you don't know how to create an Instagram business account, you can check the link in the description of this video. I've put a link in the on how you can create a Instagram business account in the description of this video. Just watch the video and then you are going to have a boost post is going to be on each of the posts, your whatever you post, whether video or image, is going to be on your Instagram post like this. Okay, if your Instagram account is already in a business account, there is no need of you creating another business account. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and follow the step I'm taking, and then you are going to see how to effectively promote your Instagram business on like this. So I'm going to click on boost post right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, if you have something like this, just click on done, just for you to confirm your account. All right, so at this point here, this is where you need to determine the goals of your campaign or the goals of your advertisement. Okay, so from the point right here, we have more profile visits. Invite people to explore your profile. This is the first option. The second option here is more website visits. The third option here is more messages into your DM, best for starting conversation. This is recommended by Facebook. Okay, now you might decide to choose DM, which is more messages, which is recommended by Facebook. But if you don't want people to send you message on your DM, it is advisable you choose more website visits. So in this regard, you must have a website that you're going to drive people into. Okay, but if you are kind of people that look for more followers, goes for you is to choose invite people to explore your profile. So if you are looking for more followers, but if you are looking to promote your business to get more sales and more new customers, so it is advisable to choose more messages like this. So next thing you need to do here is to make sure you click on next. All right, so at this section here, this is where you need to set your audience. So audience here means who are the people that you want to target and what is their interest, what is their belief, and what is their purchasing power. So you have to determine them right here. If you have been running hard in the past or you have been running promotion in the past, you can choose from your audience settings. But if you have not, if you are very new to running campaign on Instagram, so it is advisable for you to create your own, manually enter your targeting option. So for you to do that, what you need to do is to just click on here. Then it's open up this place. Then first thing to do here is to name your audience. So your audience name, you can click on here now and type in new audience. You can name it whatever you will remember new audience. Okay, now next thing you need to do is to move on to the location section. So the location here, what you need to do is to click on here to proceed to location. So under the location, which country, state, local government do you want to target? Where do you want your new customer coming from? Okay, so you have to come to the add a location right here. So for me, I can choose Lagos State. So Lagos State, Nigerian. So Instagram is going to give me the potential people I can reach in this particular location. So you can see right here, when I choose Lagos State, it simply means that I can reach between 3.3 million to 3.9 million people if eventually I go with Lagos as a location. Okay, now you want to target more location, you can just click on here. You can decide to target another state, or you can decide to target a whole country entirely. So let's say, for instance, I want to target Oyo State. So Oyo State is also one of the states in Nigeria. So you can see now it has increased from 3 point something million to 4 point something million. This is because I have added a new region into this targeted location. You might decide to choose some local governments. For you to do that, just click on local. So if you want to target local, so you have to enter their address, everything right here, and then they are going to be targeted. Okay, so if you are running a local business, so this option will be good more for you, most especially if you want people to visit you in your offline store. So this is the best option for you. So I'm going back to region. So you can add as many as possible region or location into this category. This will increase your potential of reaching more people as far as your Instagram ads is concerned. So at this section here, once you are done, just click on the top right here. You click on this check mark, and it's going to be effect. All right, so you can see our location right here. We targeted to just two locations: Lagos State, Nigerian, and Oyo State, Nigerian. And the next thing we want to do here is to determine their ages. So ages and gender. So we have to click on here to proceed to ages and gender. So under the ages and gender, and what we need to do here is to determine the age of our prospective customers. So who are the people we are targeting? So the people we are targeting will determine their age and their purchasing power. So right now, I will take this down from 35, and I will take it down to 55. So these are the people I want to target. So you can see it has the number of people I can reach has drastically dropped down. This is because I have filtered out some people I don't want to target. So this is very much possible. So this will give you a kind of a higher huge return if you target your right audience in the right manner. So there are some products. Let's talk about gender. So under the gender here, this has to do with male and female. There are some products that does not have to do with equal gender. So there are some products that has to do with unisex. There are some products that need to be targeted by only women or only female or male and female. So in my home category here, I'm going to leave it in male and female. So once you are satisfied with your gender and age, come to the top right here, always click on that, and then it's going to be added to your campaign history. Just like what you see right here, we have completely set the age and the gender. I choose all gender, which is male and female. So once you are done with all these settings, next thing you want to do is to click on the top right here. This will make it effect into your campaign. So you can see our new audience is here and ready to go. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on next right here. So at this point here, this is where you need to determine your budget, how much you want to spend on daily basis. Now by default, we have a budget of 3,000 plus, and this budget of 3,000 plus will give me about 9,300 to 25,000 people on daily basis. And if I run this advert for good 6 days, which is 1 week, I'm going to spend the amount of 22,686 naira. But this kind of budget here is just by default by Instagram. As you can see, this simply means that you can control your personal budget. You can decide how much you want to spend, how many days you want to run your ad, things like that. So let's see how you get it done. So what we're going to want to do right here, we want to start from budget section right here. So what I'm going to do, we have to drag it down. So the more you drag down, the more the price reduce, the more the followers, the more the number of rich people, number of people you can reach, the more it drop down. If you want to increase your budget, just drag this to the top like this. So you can see the more I increase, the more the budgeted spending increase, and the more the number of people I can reach increase. So this is how you control your budget in a very simple manner. So the next thing you can do right here, you can determine the duration. Let's see how we can determine our ad duration. The first option here states that run this ads until I pause it. The second one here states that set duration. So the first option here, it simply means that you can leave it to be a continuous advert where you want to turn off, turn it, turn off. You can control the turn on and turn off. This is a lifetime ad setup. Okay, so if you want to leave it in that way, just click on here, leave it in a lifetime, and the Instagram is going to give you another information entirely, just like what you see right here, that if I'm spending the 1,512 naira on my daily budget, I will only reach the people between the 700 to 1,800 for this ad budget. So if I want to increase the ad budget, I can just click on here. The ad budget will increase. Number of people I can reach will also increase. So in this category, once you are set up with your budget and your duration, and then the next thing you need to do is to click on next. So at this point here, this is where you need to review your ad before you can click on boost post now. So you have to review everything you set, such as your goal, such as your call to action. You need to make sure that the number you set on your Instagram is very much correct, available balance. So, and this is the ad budget right here. So I'm spending this amount for the ads, and after adding the fat, everything. So you are going to see all your ad preview right here. So once you're satisfied with all your ad settings, then you can also click on here to preview your ad. So you can click on here to preview your ad. So let's see. So you can check your ad in different places. So if you click on here, this is for feed, how your ad is going to look like on feed. So let's click on that. So look at it. So this is how your advert is going to look like on feed. Okay, so let's go back. So you want to see how your ad is going to look like on story. So this is for story section. What you need to do is to just click on story, and then so you can see how your ad is going to be displayed on a story section. So let's just close on that, and we go back to ad review. So once you are satisfied with your identity of the ad preview and things like that, and your budget, things like that, next thing you want to do is to click on boost post. So after clicking on boost post, you will be asked to read the terms of advertise on Instagram, which is something you must know before you can run ads. What are the things you can advertise on Instagram? The people you can target. What are the things you cannot run advert on Instagram? So you have to read everything so that you will know if your ad is compliance with their advertisement policy. You will be 100% sure that fine, my advert follow all the policy guidelines. Definitely my ad is going to be approved. So once you're satisfied with that, make sure all these two buttons are checked, and next thing you need to do is to click on accept. I accept. So it's take you back to your boost post. Then next thing you need to do is to click on boost post right here. Then just skip. This is optional. Next thing you want to do, you're going to see, wow, so nice work. Your ad has been sent and it's going to be reviewed in 24 hours, although in some assets it might take longer, but they have this ad here has been successfully placed on Instagram. So any moment from now, this ad is going to be approved. That's just the message. So this is how you can create a campaign, or how you can promote your business on your Instagram business page, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to share this video to your loved one. And lastly but not the least, Remember to click on that subscribe button so each time I post content about Instagram topic like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.